Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Waka TV on your smart TV. Alright, let's begin. First, open Google Chrome on your device and search for how to install Waka TV on Smart TV. Click on the first website that appears as it's a trusted source. Scroll down to find information about Waka TV. Please note that the app is only compatible with certain Android devices, not all Smart TVs. However, you can use Skyward Android TV or Chromecast with Android TV. Next, access the Play Store and download the app called Downloader via FTV News. After downloading, go to your device's settings and under Security and Restrictions, enable apps from unknown sources. Now, open the Downloader app and type wakatv.net or 66411 to install the app on your TV. Once the installation is complete, you can start watching Waka TV. For further details, you can check the video provided for a closer look, as it covers a comprehensive overview. If you need more clarification, feel free to review the additional information provided and reach out if you have more questions or need help. So that's basically how you can install Waka TV on your smart TV. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.